Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today. And I'm really excited about a lot of them because they are for Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays because you don't have to buy gifts for anyone and you get to eat. And just talk about how thankful you are. And you know, we should all be thankful. So, starting off with, dun, 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 you might have seen the sneak peek of this little guy, big guy, I should say. This is the Turkey Fold It set, and he is oh so cute. Look at him dressed up with felt. Isn't he stunning? I know, he's so cute. Now, the nice thing about this one is I did a couple of things a little differently. I made the ruffles of his feathers separate, and I made the pieces of his hat separate. So when you die cut them, you can literally just put them right onto his hat, which is kind of handy dandy, I know. Now, another item that we're releasing is this fun, big, large Thanksgiving word. And let me show you what that looks like. Here's an example. It does not come with the word happy because you know what? Chances are you've already bought the happy anniversary or the happy birthday. And I think we even had one more other happy. So now you just have the word Thanksgiving. So you can add that to your happy, which is fun. We also released a big word thanks. Now I know it doesn't look like much there, but look at this on our fancy pumpkin. Isn't that fancy pumpkin beautiful with that give thanks? And fancy pumpkin folded leaf for fall and the big thanks die. Love it. Absolutely love it. Open that up. Happy Thanksgiving. Isn't that fun? That beautiful thanks. Here's another one on that pumpkin. Absolutely stunning. I didn't even plan for that thanks to fit on this pumpkin, but it fits perfectly, doesn't it? I just love it. Now, two more items. We have an Elegant Edge by popular request. This has been requested multiple times. The Elegant Edge die big banner. Now, it comes with a couple extra little pieces. Let me explain those. You can use, and let me see, I have a sample, I think here, a single sample. Here, oh, here's the sample. And it comes with these little ribbon holders that you can put your ribbon through. However, I'll be honest with you, I usually cut those off just fast with scissors. And I use the little holes or the ribbon slides and put them on the banner themselves and when I run it through the die cut machine. That way my ribbon will hold a little better than those little tiny loops. Now, either way, it's up to you, but let me show you this, that hello, you know Michelle made, all out of felt. Look at that. It's our cute little candy corn, and I absolutely adore it. I can't wait to put it on my doorknob on my front door. Now, I have lots of things to share with you. I'm going to show you all my samples, but we've also released some epoxy dots in neutral colors, perfect for Thanksgiving. So we have it in like a light gray, a darker gray, a black, and yes, glitter. Glitter! You know you can't go wrong with glitter. Okay, let's look at all the awesome samples. So here we go. Here's a cute one using our little tortoise, our little turtle. I did it again. Turkey, 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 turkey. I'm a turkey. Look at that. Totally different look. I love that you can mix and match, make different colors, add those on there. This is actually holding that fancy pumpkin from the wagon set, which is absolutely adorable. Here's another cute one. Now, if you want, you could even put him on the front of a card. He can be a shaped card or on the front of the card. That's up to you. He also goes perfect with our slimline fence die. Look how cute that is. Open it up. Happy Thanksgiving. Isn't that gorgeous? Imagine having that on your mantle when people come over for Thanksgiving or sending this card. Wowzers, right? Now let's look at some thanks. Does not have to be for fall. Does not have to be for fall. Look at how gorgeous that is. Thanks. This is on an A1 card base. A1. So it fits on an A1, just a heads up. Or put it on an A2. Look at that. This is black glossy paper. This is our mirror paper, and look, it is just absolutely stunning. It has that fun stitch line in it, which just kind of makes it stand out even more. Here's another cute one. I love these colors because look, you guys, not even fall colors at all. Totally, totally different. Oh, or this one. This is one of my favorite papers. I love that paper. Look how cute that is. I love that. Thanks. Or, oh, happy Thanksgiving. Now look how gorgeous that Thanksgiving is. You could also put it on a mini slimline with our cute little pilgrim boy and girl. I love those pilgrims. I love them. I need to get them back out again because I want to color them. This is so cute. Here's another big Thanksgiving, perfect for a 5x7, or, oh, here's both 5x7, or on your, dun 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 dun, wait for it, slimline cards, hello, or even on your pumpkins. Look at these pumpkins, you guys. We got a lot of pumpkins from the team this month. Let me grab those other pumpkins really quick. This is definitely one of the most popular fold-its we've ever come out with, but absolutely gorgeous. Look at how fun those are. Totally 3 different looks. So beautiful. I love them. Okay, banner time. I am addicted to banners. I hope you guys are doing banners because they're so much fun. So let's open these. I haven't gotten to open any of these. I haven't gotten to look at any of them yet, but look at how cute that is. Happy fall, y'all. I absolutely love that. So cute. I love that cute little, just everything about it. This scarecrow is so fun. Happy fall, y'all. Then, oh, another scarecrow, same scarecrow, different. Ready? I get to open this up. Are you ready? Oh, look at that. You guys, look at that. So we have happy fall. We have our boy pilgrim, our girl pilgrim, and our scarecrow. So cute. I need to hang this up right now, don't I? Look at that. Okay, but wait, there's more. Because you could also make it for Christmas. Now, I always recommend you make a cute little banner, something like this. And if you have kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews, make one of these to hang on their doorknob of their bedrooms. Isn't that cute? You could even put their names on it. But how fun for you to switch out front and backs. You could make 2. Switch out the things that it's going to say. So this could say Miller's room. Well, actually, I have to say Miller and Liam because they share. But Miller and Liam's room, and it could hang on the doorknob. Or it could just say Happy Fall, y'all. Isn't that cute to decorate? Here's another one, that Merry Christmas. I love it. Oh, here's another Merry Christmas. So beautiful. Absolutely love it. And then, oh, that's actually a sneak peek on the Christmas. Here you go. You are beautiful. Imagine having this hanging on your door. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this one's a big one. Are you ready? Oh, you guys, who made this one? This is beautiful. Yvette made this one. Look at this. These are beautiful. Okay, instead of a wreath on your door, hang this on your door, right? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, club members, you know you're getting a club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? Oh, really quick, I wanted to show you this one last thing. I just thought of it because this turkey might look a little familiar to you. He was a little version stamp and die set, and we got so many requests to make him a fold-it, so you can see the size difference. So this is an official A2 shaped card, and this is the original version, so now you can see them up close and personal, just so you can see the difference in size. So I just wanted to make sure you saw that. Okay, club members, yes, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all these products. If you're not in the club, you've got to join. You got to join. You got to join. It's only $13.99 a month to be in the stamp club. You get a stamp set included in that price. Oh, we ship it to you automatically, and then you get a 15% discount off of our entire website. There is not one thing you do not get the discount on. You get the discount, I love saying this, on the entire website. 15% off. It's like a sale every single day when you go to our website. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.